To evaluate the many factors of energy efficiency, the U.S. Green Building Council established a system for rating buildings called the LEED standard, promoting a whole building approach to sustainability.
U.S. Green Building Council made a tremendous impact when it started with its LEED certification program in bringing an awareness within the building sector of green building attitudes and technologies and building strategies. They were exemplary, but we wanted them to be, and the buildings that they certified through LEED certification, to at least, at a minimum, meet the 2030 Challenge targets and go beyond. Why? Because as we ratchet up to carbon neutral by 2030, there needs to be a group out there that is doing better than the minimum.
We created 8 initiatives focused on climate specifically that would immediately adjust the LEED rating system to guarantee a 50% reduction in CO2, that we as an organization would become climate neutral in the year 2007, that we would in fact offer free certification for LEED Platinum buildings, the highest performing buildings in our portfolio, and a number of other initiatives. And in doing so, we would in fact be able to transform the marketplace much more quickly and efficiently. But I have to say that Ed's guidance and leadership in this area has made all the difference.
Professional organizations play a very important role because they need to be on the leading edge of this tidal wave that's kind of coming in terms of public perception. With climate change, we need to take all this data and information and stuff that the IPCC puts out and that scientists put out, and we need to put it into everyday language so that the common person can really understand that it's a crisis that could really destabilize our country. We need to, in a sense, explain it to the average American as to what it means to them personally.
Masria has been working with the software developer, Redfish, to incorporate the predicted sea level rise into satellite maps, which is more motivating than scientific reports.
What we're trying to do is take very highly technical mapping information from papers that have been issued and look at it in a way that brings it to everyday experience. And we can only go from 0 to 1 meter to 2 meters to 3 meters. But what Redfish is doing is giving us tenths of a meter at a much finer scale.